how to fix your Instagram if it's not working on iPhone. So if your Instagram app on your iPhone is not working or responding for some reason, there are a couple of things that we can check. First of all, you want to make sure it's not the issue with your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Next up, what you can do is you can simply open up your App Store on iPhone and just search for Instagram over there. And you have to check if your Instagram app has an update. So if it has an update, you will see the update button there and you simply have to install the latest update. Now, if it says open, it means that it's already updated to the latest version. So there's really nothing that you can do about it. We're also going to go to settings. Once we go to settings, we want to go to the option general. From general, we want to go to the option called iPhone storage and tap on it. From iPhone storage, simply look for Instagram and tap on it. Then tap on the offload app button, offload it. And once you've offloaded the application, again reinstall it, and that will help you solve the problem. Hopefully, one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.